How to buy Dogecoin on Trust Wallet. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Dogecoin in easy fast way in the Trust Wallet app. So first thing we do is we go to Trust Wallet and then click on buy here, and after that you need to go down and you will find the Dogecoin. Okay, where is it? If you didn't find it, you can here is it. If you didn't find it, you can search for it in the search bar like this, and here is it. Now you can buy the Dogecoin. Click on it and choose the amount of money that you want to invest on the Dogecoin, like $400 or 200, and then click next here. And after that you need to choose your country here and click proceed here down below. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.